Erosion and deposition. These are two words that describe some of the forces involved on planet Earth that form and create and manipulate and change the various features on our planet. But as we talk about erosion and deposition today, I want you to understand that these are two words that go together. They go together like the words up and down. Up and down. You can't have one without the other. Or front and back. Front and back. Words that go together. Tigger and Eeyore. Words that go together. Well, erosion and deposition also go together. And as we explore some different places and some different features today, I want you to keep in mind that erosion and deposition, they go together. All right, we're here at the New Jersey shore. And at the shore, the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, is crashing on the beach a lot. And this is one of the major causes of erosion along the shore, not only from the waves, but from the longshore drift. So if you're busy at the shore building sandcastles, eventually they're going to be washed away from the waves. That's erosion. And whenever we talk about erosion, we also have to talk about deposition. The entire beach itself is an example of particles that have been deposited here. They've been laid down here. That's how you can enjoy them. They've eroded from somewhere else, and they've deposited right here at the shore so you can have fun during the summer. Here at Jenny Jump, as well as other places in the state, we have an example of what is called a Talus Slope. A Talus Slope is a field of boulders that have eroded off of the mountain top and have collected on the downside of the mountain.
Gravity is the biggest factor causing erosion, whether it's pulling people off the street or large boulders off of a high mountain. In this photograph, we can see mass wasting, rocks, debris, and so forth being pulled down to the base of a large mountain, including the Talus Slope at the bottom. Here at Yosemite National Park, you can see Half Dome, where half a mountain has been removed entirely away. Water, however, is another major factor of erosion, and one of the most famous places to see water erosion is here at the Grand Canyon National Park. Here at Niagara Falls, you can see erosion of water in action over a short period of time. Massive amounts of water moving over the falls. Over longer periods of time, you can see what are called teacups being eroded out of rocks by a moving stream. Here we see a mountain that is no more because it has eroded away from eons of water flowing over it. Here in Death Valley National Monument, we can see the remains of erosion and deposition after a heavy storm. Here at Bryce Canyon National Park, you can see the evidence of erosion in the background with these features called hoodoos. Also at Bryce Canyon National Park, wind is a major agent of erosion, carving natural archways into the soft stone. Likewise, Death Valley, you can see both erosion and deposition in the form of sand dunes. Glaciers can also be a form of erosion and deposition in the form of glaciers that take long periods of time. People and animals are also a form of erosion as they move along the landscape, disturbing the sediment below. Zion National Park, here at Washboard Mountain, shows evidence of both the deposition of sand dunes and the erosion of them over eons. Closer to home, there's what we call the Jurassic Park fence, covering up a geologic feature called the Martinsburg Shale along Route 46, preventing rocks from eroding from the hillside and depositing on the road.